we're showing here we got some issues here already rotted away at the base here of the plywood. We come down through here, we can see that there's mud that's actually come underneath the plate. We can see that it's ran down the wall. We'll come in here a little bit further. We see that there's mud that's actually on top of this our concrete foundation, and we see that we got moisture issues here. We see there's mold growing right up in through here on my window already, and we'll just take this on here, down here a little further. We see that we got warpage already. Our drywall tape is busting and opening up. And we'll come into our bathroom here, because this is how far it actually goes. And we see we got moisture issues all the way here. We see that we got moisture issues here. I will be opening this up to see how that went right on through. So this is all an issue that needs to be, we'll be looking at here in this inspection.